Hey everyone! Ever wondered what it takes to get promoted faster at work? Today, I'm sharing the secret skill that leaders notice most, and it might surprise you. Let's dive right in. The skill I'm talking about is effective communication. Yup, it sounds simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Here's why. Effective communication isn't just about talking, it's about listening, understanding, and responding clearly. When you communicate well, you build trust, foster collaboration, and align your team's efforts. All of this makes you stand out as a reliable leader. So how do you sharpen this skill? Start by actively listening. Pay close attention to what your colleagues and bosses are saying. Show empathy, and make them feel heard. Next, practice clarity. Whether you're sending an email, giving a presentation, or having a one-on-one chat, be concise and to the point. Avoid jargon and get your message across in a way that's easy to understand. Another tip, ask for feedback. Constructive criticism helps you identify areas for improvement. Plus, it shows that you're committed to growing and evolving as a communicator. Lastly, adapt your style. Different situations and people require different approaches. Flexibility in your communication style demonstrates emotional intelligence and makes you more effective in diverse settings. So if you're aiming for that promotion, start honing your communication skills today. It's a game changer that leaders notice and value. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on advancing your career. See you next time.